Hello my favorite people. So I'm here with another video, okay? And my video today is about skin bleaching, and I'm going to talk about this skincare product called Caro White. And Caro White is a skin bleaching cream. So I'll talk about why you shouldn't use it. I'll talk about the side effects and experience from people that have used it and what I've been told about it, okay? And if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chikelly and it's good to have you here. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and the notification button as well, so that when I upload new videos you will not miss it, okay? Don't forget to like this video so that this video will reach to a lot of people, because you don't know who out there is going to benefit from it, okay? And for my regular visitors, my regular subscribers, I call you my family, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate everything you are doing for the growth of this channel. Thank you so much. Now, Caro White is a skin lightening product which claims to contain only 2% of hydroquinone and can bleach your skin, which can change the color of your skin from dark to fair within 2 to 7 days of using it, okay? So from my research, I found out that this company actually are lying to you. Caro White does not contain 2% of hydroquinone. Caro White has two main ingredients. The first one is hydroquinone, and it contains 19% of hydroquinone. Like is like how many times above the recommended percentage of hydroquinone that you should use on your skin. And the recommended percentage is 2%. A qualified dermatologist cannot recommend more than 2% of hydroquinone for you to use on your skin if you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, and they will tell you to only apply it on the affected area. But a lot of people using the Caro White use it all over their body, okay? So 90% of hydroquinone is very lethal to use on your skin, because the after effect is actually really scary and dangerous, okay? So longer use of this skincare product can cause you to develop irreversible hyperpigmentation. It can lead you to have this skin disorder called ochronosis. Ochronosis is like blackening of the skin, so your skin will be black. Some part of your skin that it will burn and it will turn black. From this picture, it will turn black, okay? Regular use of this cream can make you to develop liver problem, liver failure, thinning of skin. So thinning of skin is very dangerous, because when your skin is thinning, it means that cream is taking away some layers of your skin. Thinning of skin is when some of your skin are being shed off, more like removed. When you use sharp object and you're scraping something off, that is what happens when you use that amount of hydroquinone on your skin. So it's kind of taking off some of the layers of your skin. Let me put it that way. It's taking off some layers of your skin, and this is one of the reasons why if you're using bleaching cream, your skin ends up being very thin, and you see all those veins, green veins coming out from your skin, and then your skin will be very open to infection, and this is why you receive burn, because your skin is now open. It doesn't have any protection on it. The protection is gone. Okay, and thinning of skin as well can cause you to have stretch marks. Keep looking at the pictures, or cause you to have stretch marks. Okay, and your skin will become very sensitive to sunlight. So when you go out in the sun, sometimes even if you put sunscreen, because your skin is already thin, the layers that have been taken off, it will cause your skin to burn. So another skin problems that you can have is skin cancer, which is very popular. Your skin, you may end up having developing like very very bad color, not the natural looking color, that more like a pale yellow color, which doesn't look natural. And mercury poisoning. So I preach about mercury poisoning all the time, and mercury poisoning is what actually leads to skin cancer. It's really really dangerous. 19% of hydroquinone is very very high. It's very high. Like the long-term damage is just not worth it. I'm not joking. You don't really want to do that to yourself, seriously. Premature aging as well, Is it worth it? I'm not here to judge you, but stop using it. If you're using this cream, stop using it. It's dangerous. Stop. Let me tell you this. Caro White contains another dangerous ingredient called corticosteroids. So corticosteroid is a drug used in treating rashes, lupus, and asthma, but it has side effects. So some of the side effects are osteoporosis, which is a brittle bone. Your bones will be very very fragile. You know how sometimes, like, I think a lot of people that have bleached their skin. There was one story I heard. My client told me that she developed pains on her joints. So those things are as a result of skin bleaching. Corticosteroids can cause you to another side effect is high blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes. When your skin is thin from using this Caro White, what happens is your skin becomes very vulnerable to infection. So because it's open, it removed a lot of layers, so it's now open to infection. Experiences from a lot of my clients that have come to me that have severe hyperpigmentation that was caused by this Caro White. Some of them they've complained about their skin developing eczema. They've complained about having like severe dark knuckles. Some have burns on their skin. Some have blackening of skin, which is the ochronosis I was talking about earlier. Some have developed very severe stretch marks and thinning of skin. These are experiences from people that have used this, and that was the reason why I said to myself, I have to do this video to talk to people that are still using this cream or that wants to start using it, that please do not use it. You don't want to be using something with 19% of hydroquinone on your skin. Mercury poisoning, it's not good. Okay, so please stop using Caro White. Stop using Caro White. Stop using Caro White. It's just not good. Don't bleach your skin. Keep your skin. Our dark skin is very beautiful and ages really well. Any interference with it will cause you to have premature aging. Okay, I love you, my beautiful favorite people. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate all of you, and please continue to support me. Click that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to share it as well. Leave your comment below. Are you using Caro White? Do you know someone that used it? Is it something you're planning to use? Do you know anyone that has side effects from using it? All the side effects that I've mentioned in this video. Okay, thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you. Take care. Bye.